Hi everyone, welcome back to KCFS Academy. So on this video, I want to be telling us what we are expecting in the market this August first week. Always have in mind that August is one of the busiest months in the forex market. What did I mean? Market we have a lot of volatility. That is what we call it, volatility. That means market will be moving like never before, right? This month, one of the busiest markets in the forex market. Busiest months in the forex market. So whenever you are executing a trade, make sure a confirmation are met before execution. All execution should be met with confirmation. If you lose it, it's part of the game. All should come up on your mind is the reason of this loss, and you move on. So I'm gonna be showing us like 3 pairs or 4 pairs. Let's head and see what we are expecting. So guys, let me turn my phone this way. So guys, this is on gold. I went to my daily time frame as normal. Who has been following me up? What matters more is my daily. I don't have network. I have network. So what's the problem? Oh, that's really nice. Okay. Once for my daily, you see my daily on my daily time frame, I'm having a low market has been ranging and ranging, right? So we have noticed it yesterday on gold last weekend. NFP noticed it because market did not cross this low, so it's gonna be buying. So I posted it, I think, or not, but I make money with it. That's where I noticed that market was buying from my daily. So my daily has given me a clear clarification that the market is a bullish trend. What should I do? I want to look for a good zone for me to buy. So now I'm waiting for this market to bounce back to this low. It might not get directly to this low, but if it comes back to here or here, but my normal zone is here, and at this any point of this point, and gives me a double bottom, I'll be going on a sell. The same thing happens like what we mean by a double bottom is something like this. This one was a double high. So a double bottom from here, will be going on and definitely a buy on Monday. That is what we are expecting currently for now. And when it gets to this high, we then see if it's gonna break out and wait for a pullback to enter, or it's gonna bounce here and continue the sell. That is for now on gold. So now let's go to GU. So this is AUD as well. So AUD, I posted it after this thing I posted in my on my group. It's currently on a buy. So, but if you have not entered this market, that's fine. I know that on Monday market might still come back. So always expect that the comeback should be around this zone. So when the market gets back to this zone on AUD, execute your trade. Right. So it's gonna still might come back to this zone. But all we know is it's coming back or not coming back. We are expecting a buy from here. So I always tell you reason. Now the reason of this is when I went to my daily, I saw it. This was a valuable zone. So market come back and did not cross. Confirm with daily. That is fine. It crossed this low, which was having a double low, but this was a buy zone. So when it gets to this here, we expect it to bash in for us to continue the buy. So when it gets to this exact low here, that is what it came and respected. Right? See, it came and respected it. After the respecting, it's showing us it wants to continue the buy. So that is very, very good for us. So if you want, if you did not get it from here exactly, if you could not get this market from here, you can just draw a line here. If we did not get it from here, right? If we did not get it from here, fine. All you have to do is wait for it to close inside this zone like this. Inside, if we did not get it from here, wait for it to close inside here, bounce back here. Definitely, it's gonna push up. So this is definitely what we are expecting. So as we did not enter here, fine. If we pushed in, wait for a pullback, we go up. This is exactly what we are expecting from the market in AUD. If we did not get it, people who have not entered from here, so expect this exact one. This is what is gonna be happening. It's rejected, it's going back. So when it pulls above this current high here, comes back on top of it, we pushed in, definitely a buy. So that is what we are expecting. So now let's go to um what pair again did I analyze? I think I analyzed this pair, right? Yeah, this same pair, analyze this pair. So if you see this pair, this was to be the buy zone. This has been a valuable buy zone for the market. You see, it has been a valuable buy zone. But when it crosses it, you know that it's not gonna cross this low. So now what are we expecting? We're still expecting the same thing from here. If you did not enter from this exact point, if you are here, fine, you can hold the market. But if the market has a strong reverse out from here, that means it's gonna be selling. It can drop. But if now currently now I will advise everybody to just on this trade wait for it. I'm expecting a buy. I'm expecting it to buy. So I will be waiting for something to happen. So what am I waiting to happen? I'm waiting for this market to do something like this. Let this buy push up by Monday, comes back on top of this high, and then we can go on a buy. And then our TP will not be more low there. It might be somewhere here. Right? This is what I'm expecting from this market. This is what I'm expecting. So this is exactly what I'm expecting from this market. This is what I'm expecting from this market. So that is for that particular one. But it might still, if it gets here and gives, like as it's forming this one now, and it gives a double good high, like this market open and it did not push up above it, it rejects here again. If you can see it for yourself, you can go on and sell. But I'm expecting a buy from it, so because of the structure, I think it has a big, like the structure is good. What structure are we in? I think what determines more for me here is structure. At this point, I would mind to know the structure. So it's definitely on a cell structure. On a cell, see, on a cell structure, that means it might still go on a cell, right? It might still want to go more cell because it's definitely on a cell structure. So let's keep looking at it. Definitely is on a cell structure. That means we are expecting many things here if this would be the case. The market is in a cell structure, right? You see, so if it goes this as it went back to this high for us, we're gonna just calm down for this market. Have to have patience. It's either you bounce here, so let's wait for something like it. So now at this particular zone, we're expecting two ways, two things to happen. If it goes back at his going back, if you reject another candle by Monday by 4 hours, that did not push up, we're gonna be going on a sell. You understand? Because of the structure. So we're gonna be going on a sell downwards to this side. So by Monday, I'll be dropping another analysis currently about this trade. So this is what we are expecting. But if it breaks above it, fine and good, we expect a pullback. But if you don't break above it on Monday by 4 hours candle closing, we are going on a sell on this market. The same thing goes with the AUD that we just analyzed. So on AUD, if the market did not currently at this zone was a buy. If you catch a buy here, fine. So if the market went and did not, for example, I don't know, but you just follow the market. You don't think of what just following the market. So if the market went here and did not cross up, you're gonna be going on a what? So currently at this point, you don't really know what's gonna happen. But if I'm still at this market to this point, I can just break it even here and allow it to run his thing. But if it breaks above, this is what or break confirm a rejection, we are going on a sell. Sorry, I did not face this. So this is the same thing I'm expecting in AUD. So now let's go to USDJPY. So USDJPY. So this is USDJPY. It totally broke inside. That shows it's definitely gonna be a sell, right? So I'll just have to wait. See, it confirmed this high. This is what we are expecting. JPY, GBM, AUD to do, but AUD have not break in. But this one has already broke in. That means it's confirming itself. So just wait for that pullback comfortably at this zone. Then you can sell your what? USDJPY. So now this will be the last one. I think have I done good? I've done good. Which pair again? USD card. So this is USD card. So USD card is rejecting at the top, right? So now currently now it confirms from here and the structure is a sell. So we're expecting it to sell. But we're not gonna just enter because it's still manipulating at the zone. might still go back and sell. So what we have to do is Monday, if it breaks in, enter here, we are selling. Simple. But if it does not break inside, right? If it does not break inside like this, and like it bounce here, it might go back. But I think it will break inside like the USD JPY. So we are expecting this in USD card. Thank you guys for watching my video. I might not have time to update videos next week. I might just be posting analysis that has met to be entered. So if you see it and you want to trade, always remember the number 6 rule of trading: use a risky capital. And the number 3rd rule of trading: use a proper risk. These two things are things that will make you profitable from the industry called Forex. Without these two things, you will never ever be profitable. Thanks for watching my video. If you found this video useful, please just tap the like button, comment your word. If it's on YouTube, don't hesitate to just subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my video. Love you all.